Hello friends, today we are going to learn about React Router DOM. React Router DOM is an NPM package that enables you to implement dynamic routing in the web app. It allows you to display pages and allow users to navigate them. It's fully featured client and server-side routing library for React. So let's use the React Router DOM in our React application to understand how the React router works. Let's start the project. Open VS Code. To use the React router DOM in our project, firstly we need to install the React router DOM from npm package. npm, that is node package manager. Open the terminal, go to your project directory and then install React router DOM. Type the command npm install React router DOM and it's enter. It will download. Let's start our application. npm start. React router DOM is installed. Let's check in the package.json file. React router DOM is installed, version 6.80. Now go to index.js file. Here install or import browser router from React router DOM. Then wrap our app in browser router. It's done. Now go to app.js. Here import root from React router DOM. Then roots, make roots and wrap root to the roots. Exact path, it is my home page path element, that is my home page component. Call home page component is here, and second one is my about page component. It's about, I want to give path / about. It's done. Go to our project. It's done. This is my home page / about. This is my about page. This is about. This is home. It's done.